Hi everyone, welcome to Hadoop Varsity. So in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Hortonworks Multinode cluster in Google Cloud. So let's get started. So first, we would require is an account, a Google account. So go to cloud.google.com. So Google Cloud Platform recently rolled out its cloud version, right? So we can leverage its free tier availability. So just click on try it for free. So what you required is to require an Gmail account. So log in with your existing Gmail account. So here you will be provided with one screen. So there you need to select your country. Here I'm selecting my country as India. And then you have to accept these two uh, these two agreements. So just agree and then click on agree and continue. So here you will be provided with one information page. So here you can see it offers $300 credit for free. You can use the instances up to $300, or else you can use for 12 months. So whichever expires first, and then there will be no auto charge after your free tier got expired. Okay, so you don't have any risk. Okay, so you can freely leverage the resources that you want, that the free resources you can use. So just let's get started with information. So you can select individual and unregistered individual, that is fine, and then optional fields you can ignore. Go down. So here you just provide your names. I'm providing some dummy details here. So this is where you provide your payment details. Okay, it accepts both credit and debit card. So I think you can provide your debit card. So I'm just providing some dummy details here. And then you can click on this. This provide is not accepted. So once you provide these details, you can start your free trial. I think it will ask for another some authorization or payment, something you need to pay some $1 or $1 or something like that. So once it is authenticated, you can start using your Google Cloud Platform. So once you are registered, So and then when you logged in the console.google.com, so you'll get a screen like this. So on the left hand side you can see the various services offered by Google Cloud. So right now we are interested in only one thing, this compute engine. So we'll get back to into this in a while. So before that, if you see here, right, I told you, right, it will offer 300 credit, right, in rupees. You can see INR, it will be 19,000. So it's actually my existing account, that's why I'm saying, you can see 357 days left. So in general you will get at 1 year trial from the moment you registered, right? So the first thing you have to do is create a project here. Okay, here you can provide a name. If you see here, it will max provide 5 projects in our quota. So I think we already have one, so you can create here. Okay, so once you go there, you can see 2 projects, right? It is my existing project and this one is a new project. So just click on this one, anyone. So this tutorial we are going to show how to install Hortonworks, right, and Google Cloud instances. So go to compute engine here and click on VM instances. So if you see here, we already have 2 nodes. I'm already installed a multi-node cluster on Google Cloud. And just delete those 2. If you want to delete existing nodes, you just select the nodes and then click on delete. It will take few minutes. Okay, so if it is your first account, right, it is the first time, you'll get a screen like this. So click on create. So today we are going to show installation of Hortonworks and Multinode, right? So here I'm going to create two instances. So let's just create the first instance. So I'm going to name it as HDP node 1. Okay, so if you see here, okay, this is the number of cores we required. So the maximum it offers 8 CPUs. Okay, 8 cores, right? It offers 8 cores. So what I'm doing is, so I'm going to utilize these 8 CPUs in 2 ways. So 4 CPUs for one node and another 4 CPUs for another node. So I'm going to customize this one and I'm going to leverage all the memory that I have for this particular 4 CPU node. So maximum I can get is 26 GB. So I'm going to use this complete 26 GB here, and then you can see here $121 per month. So this will be our hourly rate charges. So 0.116. If you are going to use an instant continuously for 1 hour, this will be the charge, and the maximum you can use is 730 hours. Okay, so we can reduce this one to certain limit, certain amount. I'll show you how to reduce that one. Okay, so let's just change the CentOS. So I'm going to install CentOS 6 and then at this 100 GB. Okay, select. You can select firewall, allow HTTP port, HTTP and HTTPS. So here one more interesting thing. Here you can provide a script a shell script, shell or Python commands, or you can provide a script. So what it is going to do is, after spinning of these nodes, right, after installation, it is going to run these commands, right? So if you have any scripts, or if you have any commands, if you want to run after your node is installed, right, you can provide those here. Okay, and then here, this one is most important one here. So if you see the preemptibility, right, so what is a preemptibility means? A preemptibility VM costs much less because it lasts only for 24 hours. So if you see here, cost less for 24 hours. So if you see here, if you run this particular instance, it will run continuously until you explicitly delete this node, right? So that's why it's charged high. If you see here, right, $125 per month. But as a developer, we won't do any developing more than 24 hours, right? So hardly we'll do 2 to 3 hours of developing. So we won't do 24 hours continuous development, right? So what we can do is, we're just simply on this preemptibility. Okay, if you see here, it will be 125 per month, right? So let's see the difference. Okay, if you on this one, it will come to $40 per month. So what is the difference? The difference is your node, whatever you're installing, right, you are spinning up the nodes, right, after 24 hours, explicitly, forcefully, it will be printed, it will be shut down. It will no longer exist, right? So the thing you can do is, before 24 hours, you can just simply shut down, right? So it will be resetted, and then you can again restart the node. So it won't be explicitly terminated. Okay, so let's just on this one, and then create. Okay, if you see here, it is just creating the node. So meanwhile, we will create another instance of the same configuration. Okay, so let's select HTTP. Okay, HTTP node 2. Okay, and then we'll select the 4 CPUs and customize it this one to utilize the maximum memory that will provide for this particular node. Okay, and then we'll change this operating system to CentOS 6 and size of 100 GB. That is a disk size, and then allow. So we will here up to $128, right? I think we will not use this one. Complete. Okay, now go here and then make the preemptibility policy as on, so that you'll have the $40 per month. And be careful while running your instances, it should not be more than 24 hours, otherwise it will be preempted automatically, right? So if you see here, our node 1 is ready, and then we are in the process of creating another node. So you can just go to the web browser. Let me share this. Okay, now we have both the nodes, right? Each one. So if you see here, so this is our node. Okay, and then preemptibility is on. Okay, and rest of the things are same. It's a 4 CPU, 26 GB of memory. So our total configuration of the cluster is 8 CPUs plus 54 GB of memory and 200 GB of hard disk. Okay, so in the next following series, we are going to demonstrate I'm going to demonstrate how to install Hortonworks cluster, 2-node cluster through Ambari. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Hadoop Varsity. Thank you.